Hello everyone, my name is Jakub Lisowski. I'm one of the London School of Emerging Technology student. Today I wanted to show you guys how to create a simple code to add numbers, or maybe I should call it just a simple calculator. Okay, so first thing first, I have already created a project. Now I'm gonna create a class. Let's call it calculator. Okay, and always the first thing in Java is we have to create a main class. Okay, and we could do it the simple way, which I will show right now. It's very important to always finish every IO with the semicolon. We're gonna print our result. Sum of two numbers is okay, and let's see if it works. Yeah, as you can guys see, this is the simple method, and we could also use this for multiplication. So just we could copy that and call it multiplication result. We just would change this to multiplication. Yeah, and as you can see, it works. We could change those numbers to something else. Yeah, and as you can see, it works. And again, yeah, we could use this for subtraction. And it works again. But I wanted to guys show you something different, maybe to simplify those methods. So I'm gonna create a new class. For addition. I'm gonna create different classes for like addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. Okay. We could change this as well. So let's call it add res for adding result. Okay, and now we're gonna remove this because we don't need this anymore. Sum of those two number is, and instead of putting plus and num1 plus num2, we're just gonna use our add result method. Okay, and let's see if it works now. Yeah, as you can see, it works. I think it's kind of more simple way of doing this. Yeah, and we could do literally the same thing again, yeah, as presented before, but do it for the, let's say, subtraction. And yeah, same thing again. Let's call it subres for subtraction result. And again, for subtraction, we can use different numbers. So let's say 19 and 12, semicolon. And to get this back here, we've got to print it. So we'll just change this, subres. Let's see if it works. Oh, I put it some subtraction. Those two numbers is. Oh yeah, it added. Sorry, I forgot to change one thing. Got to change this to minus to subtract because it added. Oh yeah, now as you can see, guys, it works. And yeah, we could do it exactly the same way for multiplication and division. So I'm gonna present one more just to show you guys how simply we can do this. So again, call this multiplication. I'm gonna change this sign into multiplication sign. Can copy this to make it faster. Call it mul_res for multiplication result. And we could again use different numbers. So let's say 1 and 15, or like 3 and 15. And again, to print it, multiplication. Multiplications of those two numbers is mul_res. Let's see if it works. And it works. So yeah, this is it. And then as you can guys see, this is how simple it is to create a, like, yeah, as I said before, it's a simple version of a calculator. It's not like the one that you can put numbers and add things.